Nusra from the US says that what is the awrah of a woman in front of other women? Because she read on some websites that it is from the navel to the knees. And this is a little bit preposterous, with all due respect to such opinions. Does it mean that a woman can sit in front of other women topless? Of course not. In cases of necessity, when she's breastfeeding and something may appear without flashing her goods, then there's nothing wrong in that, because it was random, it was unintentional. But to just say that from the navel to the knee, that is what should be covered and the rest is permissible, no, this is not true. So what is the actual awrah? This is an issue of dispute. Scholars said that from the Salaf, they say whatever a woman adorns herself with jewelry, these places can be shown. So a woman wears a necklace, so she's entitled to expose from the neck downwards, not showing her cleavage. She wears bracelets, and sometimes they wear these, I don't know what they call them, and it goes to the biceps maybe. So the biceps are okay, but to expose up to the whole shoulder, no, this is inappropriate. The back itself is awrah. She's not supposed to wear them dresses that expose her back. Her knees are awrah without any dispute, but below the knees, she may wear an anklet that goes up to the calf or the middle of the leg, which is okay. So a maxi is permissible to wear, but something that goes right to the knees or expose the knees when she sits, this is not permissible and haram, and the likes. Of course, the hair and the face, etc., in front of other women or mahram is permissible. Allah knows best.